Electricians know, when you're on the job, your tools are your lifeline. And when it comes to reliability, Klein Tools is a name that sparks trust. Today, we're counting down the top 5 Klein tools every electrician should have in their kit. Let's get wired. Number 1. The Klein Tools 32500 is a combination screwdriver and nut driver designed for everyday electrical work. It includes 11 functions in one tool, 8 interchangeable bits, and 3 nut driver sizes. The bits cover common types like Phillips, slotted, Torx, and square recess. Nut driver sizes include 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch. The handle has a soft cushion grip that helps with comfort and control, especially when applying torque. Bits are easy to swap in and out, and they store neatly inside the tool. The tips have a blast finish, which helps them grip screws better and reduces slipping. This tool is useful for tasks like installing outlets, working on panels, or assembling fixtures. It's not meant for high voltage work, but it's a reliable choice for general electrical and maintenance jobs. Number 2. The Klein Tools ET310 is a circuit breaker finder designed to help electricians quickly identify which breaker controls a specific outlet or fixture. It uses a 2-part system. A transmitter plugs into the outlet, and a handheld receiver scans the breaker panel. When the correct breaker is found, the receiver gives both visual and audible signals. This tool works on standard 90 to 120 volt AC circuits, making it compatible with most residential and light commercial setups. The transmitter also includes a built-in GFCI tester, which lets you check wiring conditions and test GFCI outlets for proper function. For convenience, the transmitter docks into the receiver when not in use, keeping both parts together. The plug is a standard 3-prong type, designed for grounded North American outlets. This tool is useful for troubleshooting, labeling panels, and avoiding accidental shutdowns during electrical work. Number 3. The Klein Tools 11061 is a self-adjusting wire stripper and cutter designed for a range of wire types and sizes. It handles solid wire from 10 to 20 Aruban florins, stranded wire from 12 to 22 Aruban florins, and can also strip Romex-type cable in 12/2 and 14/3 configurations. The tool automatically adjusts to the wire size, which helps speed up repetitive stripping tasks and reduces the chance of damaging the conductor. An adjustable stopper lets you control how much insulation is removed, making it easier to maintain consistent strip lengths. The handles feature grooved grips for better comfort and control, especially during extended use. This tool is commonly used in residential wiring, panel work, and general electrical maintenance. It's built for convenience and efficiency, especially when working with mixed wire sizes on the same job. Number 4. The Klein Tools 11055EP is a wire cutter and stripper designed for everyday electrical tasks. It works with solid wire from 10 to 18 Aruban florins and stranded wire from 12 to 20 Aruban florins. The tool can also shear 6 to 32 and 8 to 32 screws cleanly, which is helpful during outlet and switch installations. Precision ground stripping holes make it easy to remove insulation without damaging the wire. The nose is serrated for a strong grip, allowing you to bend, shape, or pull wire with better control. There are also built-in holes for looping wire ends, useful when preparing connections. The cutting blades use a shear-type design for smooth, accurate cuts. The handles are curved and double-dipped for comfort, making the tool easier to use over long periods. This tool is made in the USA and commonly used in residential wiring, panel work, and general maintenance. Number 5. The Klein Tools ET450 is an advanced circuit tracer kit designed to locate and identify energized or non-energized breakers, fuses, and wires. It includes a transmitter and receiver that work together to trace signals through walls, floors, and underground materials. The receiver has adjustable sensitivity, allowing users to fine-tune detection based on the environment, whether it's drywall, concrete, or buried conduit. Audible beeps and visual indicators help confirm signal strength and wire location. A built-in flashlight and non-contact voltage tester add safety and visibility in low-light conditions. The transmitter displays voltage levels from 12 to 480 volts, helping users identify different circuit types. This kit can trace individual wires in bundles, locate conduit paths, or isolate faults. It comes with multiple accessories, including prongs, clips, LED adapters, and a hard case for organized storage. The ET450 is commonly used in complex diagnostics, renovations, and troubleshooting where standard tools fall short.